feeling ko po mahirap na marami ka pong fans pero hindi nila kilala kung sino ka talaga.
They said nga, di ba, yung bashers mo are confused fans of yours.
How are you gonna be able to say na they're really your fans?
Kasi bakit sila makikialam sa buhay mo kung hindi ka nila pinabantayan?
Sa akin po, masasabi ko na napakalaking parte ng hindi lang sa career pero sa personal na pananaw yung fans, kasi especially if you're the type of artist na ako po, tulad ko, what you see is what you get. Kung ano po talaga ako, yun sinasabi ko, yun po yung pinapakita ko. So I can really say na 100% ng fans ko po is mahal po ako kung sino po ako. So they also give me that affirmation na just be yourself, kasi hindi mo naman talaga mapiplease po lahat ng tao eh. Pero if you're being true to yourself, and somewhere along the way, you're gonna meet people na share the same values as you do, and then will really support you for who you really are. Kasi mahirap, for me lang po I'm not speaking for everybody, pero mahirap, feeling ko po mahirap na marami ka pong fans pero hindi nila kilala kung sino ka talaga. So how are you gonna be able to say na they're really your fans? Na pag nilabas mo yung totoong kung ano ka man, susuportahan ka pa rin nila. So parang for me, I don't see the point. So ako, I really thank my fans na kahit kung malaki man, kung marami man sila o hindi. Kasi for me, they support my values, they support my beliefs, and they share the same values as me. So I would, hindi lang sa music ko, kumbaga, they build up my character even more. Kasi I can say na they support me for who I really am. And I love them all and I thank them. I'm very grateful sa kanilang lahat. Alam niyo po, dati po, guilty po ako sa pagsagot sa ganyan. Nire-replyan ko, sinasagot ko. Pero, well, sayang po yung effort eh. Parang, kung yung, parang it's their words, parang word niya against yours. So, hindi matatapos po yun eh. So, what I do now is kung meron ako nakita na comment na medyo below the belt, I just block the person. Ganoon na lang po.
Yung lesson, mas lalo ko pang pinagalingan, saka I always have to give my best kasi kung may tao nga dyan naniniwala sa'yo na hindi mo naman kakilala, yun pa lang po, sa set na parang they believe in you. So you always have to do your best. Totoo naman po yung sinabi ni Darren na you have to be yourself para makilala ka nila ng tao o ng followers or your fans. Totoo naman po yung sinasabi niya. But there's other people kasi na people always have their opinions. Even if your fans can be your bashers one day.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, puntahan mo lang kung ano talaga yung purpose mo, which is yung music mo. So doon ka mag-focus, ibigay mo lahat ng anong gusto nilang makita sa'yo. Because they believe nga sa'yo, di ba? They believe sa'yo, it means gawin mo yung best mo para sa kanila. Yun yung lesson na natutunan ko po na may mga tao na sumusuporta sa akin na hindi ko naman kilala. So it means may nakita sila sa akin na dapat ugalingan lang.
Okay. So doon naman sa mga bashers or those na nagbibigay sa'yo ng negative comments, tinu-tune out mo rin ba gaya ni Daryl?
I don't really fight back po sa mga bashers ko kasi they're there. They said nga, di ba, yung bashers mo are confused fans of yours. Kasi bakit sila makikialam sa buhay mo kung hindi ka nila pinabantayan?